scroll. Today we're learning a super easy Arabic word you'll use every day. Repeat after me and you'll sound like a native.
Hey! Today I'm going to teach you a super easy Arabic phrase you can use every day. Let's begin with 12 must-know basic Arabic words.
Hey, don't scroll. These Arabic greetings are super easy and fun. Repeat after the teacher and impress everyone.
First word,
مرحبا.
repeat after me. Marhaban, hello.
Marhaban, that means hello in English. Repeat after me.
Second word, sabah al-khair. Repeat after me. Sabah al-khair. Good morning.
Sabah al khair, that means good morning in English. Repeat after me.
Third word, masa al khair. Repeat after me. Masa al khair. Good evening. In Arabic, we always say masa al khair even in the afternoon. Got it?
Masa al khair, that means good morning or good afternoon in English. Repeat after me.
Hold on. This Arabic word will make you sound super polite. Repeat after the teacher and shine.
Fourth word, shukran jazilan. Repeat after me.
Shukran jazilan. That means thank you very much. Say it with me. Shukran jazilan. One more time, louder. Yes.
Fifth word, ازيك عامل ايه. Repeat after me.
إزيك عامل إيه? That means how are you in English. Repeat after me.
Sixth word, أنا بخير. أنا بخير. شكران. Repeat after me.
أنا بخير. شكرا. That means I'm fine. Thank you in English. Repeat after me.
All right, ready for the next word? Seventh word, ismi. Repeat after me, ismi. It means my name is. Easy, right? Say it with me one more time. Ismi, my name is. Perfect.
All right, ready for the eighth word? Here we go. Udhran. That's pronounced Uthran. Say it with me. Uthran. One more time. Uthran. It means excuse me. Nice. Keep practicing and you'll sound great.
All right, next word.
Mish fahim, mish fahma. That means I don't understand in English. Repeat after me. Mish fahim, mish fahma. Nice. See? Easy. Say it loud, say it proud. One more time. Mish fahim, mish fahma. Perfect.
10th word, fiin. Fiin. Where is? Repeat after me. Fiin.
Fain, that means where is in English. Inti fain, where are you? Hoa fain, where is he? Repeat after me.
I am here.
11th word, مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Goodbye. Repeat after me. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. Goodbye. Repeat after me.
My salama.
12th word, متأسف for a male and متأسفة for a female. Repeat after me. متأسف, متأسفة. I am sorry.
متأسف for male, متأسفة for female, that means I am sorry in English.
Great job! Keep practicing your Arabic words. Tell me in the comments what you liked, what you didn't, and your suggestion for the next video. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like. See you in the next lesson!